Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. This is June weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general reading. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini 8 sign. Gemini. Gemini, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Page of Cups, Three of Cups, and the Devil under the deck. For some, this person is obsessed with you, or you are obsessed with them, Gemini. For some, this person is toxic for you guys. For some, third party situation involved in this connection. Friends, family, or other woman could be the issue. And Page of Cups. But they are coming back with an apology. They want to text you, they want to message you. And for some, children's also involved in this connection. So let's see your reading. Recent past judgment, Cain's chariot, and page of king of swords. Sorry, and the person involved in this connection could be Cancer. So you made some decision regarding this relationship in recent past, and you made your decision, and you already gave them clarity. So you want clarity from them, and you asked them. But I think you decided to move on from this person. You made that decision because here a lot of issues going right now between you and your person. That's why right now you decided to focusing on yourself. Then present Six of Pentacles, Five of Wands, and Eight of Swords. Yes, there is lot of drama is going. There is no equal give and take in and out of your life, this person. And you're feeling stuck. Literally, you are fed up with this energy and you are unable to make any more and you're feeling stuck, and there is no collaboration between you and your person, Gemini. Then future, Seven of Cups, Two of Wands, and Hierophant. I think there is no commitment, no stability in this connection. They are always giving you false hope. They are always putting you in confusion. You're still thinking about them a lot. For some, you both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries, or states. Commitment issues here. You want marriage, but they are always giving you false hope. What I'm getting here, lot of drama is going, no equal give and take. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions towards you. Then you will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. King of Swords, Two of Pentacles, and Justice. See, there is no clarity. They are juggling. Maybe they are juggling between you and their career, you and their family. Right now, they are thinking through their logical mind. King of Swords energy. But here, the person involved in this connection could be Libra. Justice here. There is chance for communication. So let's see their current feelings and their intentions. Gemini. Okay, Six of Swords. High Priestess. Okay, Three of Pentacles. Queen of Swords, Nine of Swords, and Five of Swords. Even though they are not talking to you, but they are missing you so much. They are not expressing their feelings. And at the same time, there are a lot of issues going, guys, between you and your person. They may be hurt you in past. That's why they are not talking to you. They did hurt you in past. Now they are missing you badly. And they want to fix the things between both of you. Communication. They are planning to communicate with you. and they started listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition. And Three of Pentacles. In past, there is no partnership between you and your person, but now they want partnership with you and they want reconciliation. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. So let's see their intentions. Yeah. They want reconciliation with you. The Three of Cups, Knight of Cups, and Queen of Pentacles, and they are thinking about you romantically, and they have romantic feelings for you, Gemini. And Knight of Pentacles, Four of Swords, and Nine of Cups. Right now, your person doing some meditation to heal themselves completely from past hurts. And Knight of Pentacles, this time they're very serious about you and they're wishing for this connection, and they will communicate very soon, and they are very, very serious about your Gemini this time. Yes, because they're missing you so much and they want to fix the things between you and your person. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. And a lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Earth energy, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water energy. But lots of earth energy and air energy. They do love you. And yeah, they're coming back with an apology, or they want to say some text message. They will communicate with you and they do love you and they are missing you very badly. Three of Swords energy under the deck. Maybe they did hurt you in past. The Tower moment. And I think you are also missing them a lot. Maybe they treated you as an option, they ghosted you, but now they're realizing their worth. That's why they're coming back with an apology. And this time they realize their mistake and they're very serious about you. Yes, you are undergoing some transformation to heal yourself, because in past they treated you very badly, like ghosting, like rejected, ignored way. That's why you are undergoing some spiritual awakening. I think transformation you are going through right now. They ghosted you in past, but now they're realizing your worth. So let's see the mutual. Yeah, obsession. Maybe this person is toxic for you guys. And Eight of Cups. Maybe you decided to walk away. Even though they will come, for some of you, you will walk away. And the Moon card, because there are trust issues between you and your person. And I think there is no commitment here. That's why maybe even though they're coming back, you know that this person is toxic for you, then maybe you will walk away again. So take what resonates, guys. But I'm seeing a lot of obsession, lot of dark energies here. That's why maybe you decided to walk away. It's up to you to accept or reject. Totally, the decision is in your hands, Gemini. So let's see the messages from your person and through the channel. Soulmates. True love. I want you back. Holding back. And friendship and lot of abundance is coming. So holding back, friendship, soulmates, true love, I want you back, and lot of abundance is coming. These are the messages from your person. And so take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. The end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn, Capricorn energy. Confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo, Leo energy. So while you're doing any work, be confident, because confidence is your key to success. And the end of a tough cycle approaches. So some cycles are going to be end in your life very soon. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.